Hi guys, this is Avinash and you are welcome to another video of Easy Tutorials. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make a 3D product card for your website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here you can see I have added two small icons which is for the different variant of this product. If I click here, you can see this card is rotating by 180 degree and it is rotating in 3D style. So this is the first animation on this design. While rotating this card, you can see the main image is going outside of the card and another image comes in with the very smooth transition. So this is the second animation on this design. This shoes icon is in horizontal style when it is outside of this card. Once it comes in this card, it rotates by 30 degree. So this is the third animation here. So we will learn how to make this complete animated 3D product card using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start this video. Here I have this folder and in this folder you can see I have added one index.html file and style.css file, and I have another folder called images, and in this one you can see I have 4 images. You can find all these images download link in the video description. Next I will open these files with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor. This is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file where I have added margin padding, font family and box sizing. So this will be applicable for all the HTML tags. Now in this HTML file I have added this link tag to connect the HTML and CSS file. So let's add a color in the body. So just copy this body tag and write it here in the CSS file, and here we will add background. So we have added this background color. So let me open the HTML file with any web browser. Now you can see this color on the complete web page, it is plain color. Let me close this browser. I can open this browser with VS Code extension called live server so that it will refresh the web page automatically. So again you can see the same web page but the URL is changed. So let's come back, and here within this body we will add a div with the class name container. Within this div we will add another div, and let's add the class name product. Next we have to add the CSS. So just copy this class name container, write it here, and for this one we will add width. It will be 600 pixel and height will be 100 VH. Display flex, align items center and justify content center, so that the product will be in the center of this container. And we will add margin auto, so it will take equal space from the left side and right side. And let me add background here. For now we will remove it later. So it is 000 black, so that you can see what's happening with this code. So you can see a black layout here in the center, and it is from the top to bottom. Now in this one we have added the div called product. So we will add the CSS for this product. So let's add this class name, and here again we will add the width and height. So the width will be 400 pixel and height 550 pixel. And let's add background here. We will remove it later. So let's say this one. You can see another color here which is gray color. So this is the product div, and in this product div we have to create the different faces of the product. So let me come back, and here we will add another div called product inner. In this product inner we will create 4 faces, which is front, back and left side and right side. For that let's add a div with the class name product front. Duplicate this one, and this will be product back, and again duplicate this will be left side and this one right side. So we have added a div with the class name product inner, and within this inner we have added 4 div. The first one will be front, second one is for the back, this is for the left, and this is for the right side. So there will be 4 sides of the block. Now in the first one we will add some contents. So in the first one we will divide the contents in 2 parts. So again we will add a div, and here let's add a class name product top, because we will divide the contents in top and bottom. Duplicate it, and this will be product bottom. Now on the top we'll add only one title. So we will add the title in h1 tag like this, and next we will add the product information in the bottom. So here we will add p tag and write the text. Write another title in h2. Again we will add h1, and in this h1 we will add the price. So after adding this, let's come back to the web page. You can see this title, this text, another text, and this price. So let's add some CSS. Just come back, and here you can see we have added the class name called product inner. So just copy this one. Here we will add position relative, width will be 100% and height also 100%. And within this product inner we have the class name product front. So just copy this one, write it here in this CSS file. For this front we will add the position absolute, width it will be 100% and height also 100%. Then we will add the background. So let's add the background, white color, and here we will add the transform translate Z 25 pixel. So it will move by 25 pixel in Z axis. You can see white color here so that the gray color is hidden. So let me just come back and remove this gray color, it is not required, and here also we'll remove this black. So you can see only white color of box here. So just come back in the HTML file, you can see we have the class name called product front. So we have added the CSS for this one, and now we will add the CSS for this product top. So let's add this class name here, and here we will add the height. So the height will be 50% and width will be 100%. Then we will add the background. So the background will be linear gradient color. Write the color code. Color will be white, and after that you can see this color on the top of this product front face. And here we have this text in h1 tag. So let's come back, add this class name again. Here we will add h1. We will increase the font size. So the font size will be this one, 130 pixel, and margin from the left side. Font style will be italic, and we will decrease the opacity. It will be 0.3. So you can see this text looks good. Next we will add the CSS for the bottom of this product information. So let's come back, and here you can see we have added the class name product bottom. Write this class name here, and for this product bottom we will add some padding. And in this one we have added a text in p tag, so let's add p, and here we will add the font size. It will be very small, 12 pixel. You can see some space around this text because we have added some padding. Next we will add the CSS for this text and this text. Let's come back, and here you can see we have the text in h2 tag, then h1. So here we will add the same class name, then write h2. Here we will add margin from the bottom to add some space, 35 pixel. Then we will change the color, and after that letter spacing 1 pixel. You can see this text looks good, and we have some space below this text. Next we will add the CSS for the splice. Just come back, copy this one, and here we will add h1. Font size will be 40 pixel, and font weight 400, color 333, and margin from the bottom 5 pixel. After that you can see this text looks good, but we will change the color of this dollar icon. For that let's come back, and here we will add span open and closing tag like this, and here just copy this class name and h1, then write a span and simply add the color. So you can see the color for this dollar icon. After that we will add a button. So let's come back, and in this HTML file we have added the price here. So just after this price we will add button. Type will be button, and we will add the button text. Add to bag. You can see this button here, so we have to design this button using CSS. So just come back, and here we will add product bottom and the tag which is button. So let's add some padding inside this button. It is 9 pixel and 25 pixel. Then we will remove the background. So let's add the background transparent, and after that color, this color code, and border of 1 pixel solid and color code. After that we will add border radius so that the sides will be round. So the border radius will be 30 pixel, then outline will be none, cursor pointer. After updating this, refresh the website again, and you can see this button looks good. So after updating this button, we will add two icons on the bottom right side that will be for the switching of the product variant. So let's come back in this HTML file. After this button, let's add a div. So I will add the div with the class name color select, and in this one there will be two items, so we will add another div with the class name select item, and here let's add one image, images slash file name, so it is shoes icon.png. So just duplicate this one, select item, and here we will replace the file name, so it is the second image shoes icon2.png. So you can see we have two images here, two shoes icon at the bottom, and it is outside of this box, so we have to set the position for this one. So let's come back and copy this class name color select, write it here in the CSS file, and for this one we will add display will be flex, and after that float, it will be right, and margin from the top -10 pixel. In this div you can see I have added another div with the class name select item, so write this class name select item, and here we will add the width and height 50 pixel and height also 50 pixel, and after that we will add the margin will be 0 and 10 pixel, then padding of 5 pixel, then we will add box shadow, border radius will be 50% so that it will be circle, text align center, and cursor pointer. And within this div we have added the image with img tag, so write img, width will be 80% and padding from top 10%. Now you can see these a small shoe icon on the right bottom, so it is looking good. Next we have to add the hover effect on these select options, so just come back, and here we will add this class name select item, then write hover, here we will change the background, and after that we will remove the box shadow, it will be none, and transition it will be 0.5 seconds. Now you can see this hover effect on this select option. So we have added all the contents in the front face of this card. Next we will add the same content in the back face. For that let's come back, and here you can see this is the product front. So within this we have the product top and product bottom, so let's copy these things and paste it here in this product back. Add a space in this product back and add the same thing. Here in this product back we will add one more class name, so let's add the product top 2. We already have the product top and we will add product top 2. Just copy this one and write this class name here And for this product top 2 we will change the background. Here it will be the font size, not font style. Font size 12 pixel. So after adding this, let's come back, and here you can see we have the class name product back. So just copy this one, write it here. For this product back we will add width 100% and height 100%. Position, it will be absolute, and background white. After adding this, let's come back to the web page again. Now you can see the back face of this card, because you can see the different color in the top section. So we have to rotate this back so it will go just behind the front face. So let me come back, and here in this product back we will add transform rotate. Rotate Y will be 180 degree, like this. And we will also add translate Z, it will be -25 pixel, because for the front face we have added translate Z 25 pixel in plus, and for the back face we are adding translate Z -25 pixel. So right now you can see it looks like this one. So to fix this one, let's come back here in this product inner. Here you can see we have added the position, width and height. So here we will add transform style. Transform style will be preserve 3D, and we will also add transition 1 second, and let's add the perspective here in this product. It will be 1000 pixel. After adding this, you can see the front face is good. Next we have to rotate this card so that we can see the left portion and right portion. So just come back, and here in this product inner we will add transform rotate Y. Let's add 30 degree. Now you can see it is rotating like this. Let me increase it 60 degree. It is like this, and if I rotate it by 180 degree, you can see the back face. So let's come back, and again I will make it as 45. So it is like this. So now you can see the side face which is empty right now. So we will add the CSS for the left side and right side. So just come back, and here you can see we have added the div for the left side, right side. So just copy this class name, write it here. Width, so the width will be 50 pixel. Height will be 100%, and background will be white. And after that we will add transform rotate Y 90 degree, like this, and position will be absolute, top 0 and left -25 pixel. Now you can see the left side of this card is white. Now let's rotate this card. Here you can see we have added the rotate Y 45 degree. So let's add -45 degree, and you can see the right side is empty. So just come back, and here we will add the another class name also, which is right side. Add a comma, then write another class name with a dot, like this. And for the right side we will add the rotation. So here we will add transform rotate y minus 90 degree. After that we will add left auto and right minus 25 pixel. After adding this, you can see this line here on the right side. Now again let me rotate this one. Let's come back here in this inner. I will update it as plus 45 degree. Let me increase 135 degree. You can see this back face is not touching this edge, so I have to update this code here. Let me come back, and here we have added transform rotate y and then translate z. So let me remove this translate z and I will add it here. Translate z, then rotate 180 degree. Now you can see it is perfect. So we have designed all 4 faces of this card. Now just come back and remove this one. Where is this? Remove this one. It will be applied using JavaScript. So right now it looks like this. So next we have to add the click event on the small icons so that it will rotate the card. So just come back, and here before this closing body tag we will add the script tag, and here we will add the JavaScript. So you can see we have to add the click event on the small icons. So in this div product front we have the image called shoes icon 2. So here we will add on click equal to one function. So let's add the name of the function, flip right. It will flip the card on the right side like this. And now in the product back, here we have the image shoes icon. So in this shoes icon we will add on click equal to flip left, like this. And what will happen when we will click here? It will rotate this product inner where it is here. So it will rotate this product inner. So let's add an ID here. So let me add the ID product box, like this. Just copy this one, and in this script we will add variable product box equal to document dot get element by ID. Write the ID that we have created. After that we have to define that function that we are calling when we will click on the image. So here we will add function, write the function name. It is flip right and flip left. So just copy this one, write it here. In this flip right we will add this variable product box dot style dot transform equal to rotate y 180 degree. Like this, and just duplicate this one. Here we will add flip left, and here it will be 0 degree. It will be 180 degree. And now if I click here, you can see it is rotating like this. If I click here, it will come back to the previous page. So this rotate is working fine. Next we have to add two other images that will be placed over here on the top section of this card. So just come back and here before this product inner we will add a space because we don't have to flip the image. So here we will add img, write the file path of the images, it is source.png, and write the another image also, it is source2.png. we have added two image and let's add different IDs here. Write the ID front img, for the second one back img, like this. Now you can see these images here at the top. So we have to place these images on this card. Just come back and copy this ID front img, write it here in this CSS file. We will add a hashtag here because it is an ID, not class name. So we will add width, it will be 340 pixel, top will be 70 pixel, left 20 pixel, position will be absolute, and transform translate Z 50 pixel, transition 1 second, and Z index 100. Now just copy the second ID which is back img, write it here. Here again we will add this width and top. Then we will add left, so the left will be minus 650 pixel, like this, and position will be absolute, transform translate Z, it will be 50 pixel, and rotate by minus 30 degree. Again the same thing, transition and Z index. So we have added the fixed position for the front image and back image. Just come back and you can see there is an image over here and another image in the left side, and it is rotating by 30 degree and it is horizontal. If I click here, you can see there is no changes with the source image. So we have to add the effect on these images also when we will flip the card. So let's come back and come to the HTML file in this script. Here we will duplicate this one and write the different variable. Here we will add front img equal to document.getElement by ID and write the ID front img. Duplicate this line, it will be back img, and here also back img. Now here we will add front img dot style dot left, it will be 650 pixel, and back img dot style dot left, it will be 20 pixel. So when we will click on the icon and it will call the function right flip, so it will change the position of these images and it will also rotate the image. So again write the same thing, front img dot style dot transform, it will be rotate minus 30 degree, Duplicate this line, it will be back img and rotate by 0. Now you can see when I click here, it is going on the right side. So same thing we have to apply in the flip left. So just copy these 4 lines and paste it here. And we will update the value. It will be 20 pixel. It will be minus 650 pixel. Rotate 0 degree. And this is minus 30 degree. That's it. Now you can see if I click here, this image will go on the right side. If I click here, that image will come back. So this is working fine. Now we have to hide the another image which is outside of this card. For that, simply come back to the CSS file and come to the top. Here you can see we have added container. So in this container we will add overflow hidden. Just after adding this one line of code, you can see it works fine. So we have completed this beautiful animated 3D product box using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.